ProTuff sent me this pool brush and asked me to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So let's check it out. Here's everything you're going to get in the box. You're going to get the extension here. It's going to connect into your pool pole. Customer service card. It's got some QR codes that you can use to register your product, get your lifetime warranty. These are all guaranteed for life. And 2 brush attachments that go on each end here that allow the brush to curl up and around. So this is really going to be good for the edges of the corners, the edges of stairs. I'm really looking forward to how these things perform. One thing to note, it's very ingenious how these are attached. See this little metal piece here? Well, there's a magnetic element to it. So what I'll do is just slide it into here. I'll hold it upside down like this. That'll drop down. And as I bring that over, it locks into place, and there's a magnet there holding it down. So really ingenious how that will do that. Let's do the other side here. You'll hear it snap when that thing connects to the magnet. There it goes, locked in place. So now, this end here, also another piece that's pretty slick. The way that it fits into your pool brush pole, these 2 here, you can get them started by pressing here, slide your pole on, and then release, and then lock it in place. So that's another thing that just makes it easier to get it onto the pool pole. They just really thought this out well. And then you can see these 2 little portion right here. That indicates the curvature here. So you're going in the right way to get this little handle connected into the brush itself. So I'm out here at my pool, and that back wall there is tough for me to brush because I don't have anywhere to stand behind it. I have to stand on this side here and brush across. And having the bristles turn the corner like that is great. And I'll show you how that helps me. Attaching this to the pool pole, like I said, it's interesting how they've got this double system here because I just pinch this in and now I slide that into the pool pole. It locks in place perfect. And if I need to take this out, it comes out just so easy. If you've put other accessories into your pool pole before, you know how much of a pain they are to get out sometimes. They fix that problem completely. It just pops right out. So if you're switching from your brush to your net, no problem. It's going to be quick. So let me show you how this works. I really like, if I'm pushing on the side of the wall, when I get to the bottom, because of that curved part there, it's going to hit the bottom, and I'm not going to like lose some traction on the wall. I'm going to keep brushing the wall and brush that corner that the wall meets the floor. It's like that. It actually seems to curve me out to where I could be brushing that first foot of the floor also. So it gives me it's a definite assist on the push. So as I'm pushing it across, that brush hits that corner just perfect. I really like it. I really like how that works. And then of course, just brushing the walls. It clings right on the walls. There's a lot of gadgets about airfoils and other things, whale tails, whatnot, to keep the brush on the walls, but I don't have any trouble. These just seem to work fine. I don't think any of that's necessary. The design of this, it's very well suited to standing here with the pole. It's angled just right. So as I'm brushing down, I've got good capture the whole way down of all the algae and stuff. And again, here where I'm on my beach area, I hit this corner. It's perfect. It gets right in there. You can get it this way too. And brush all that down and knock off all that algae. Be ready to swim. So yeah, overall, I definitely would recommend this ProTuff pool brush. I think this thing works great. I really love the angles on the ends here. The bristles are pretty sturdy here. These are all plastic throughout. They don't have any stainless in them, so you're not going to get poked, and you're not going to have pieces of stainless in the bottom of the floor either. And these are warranted for life, so you buy one, you're done. Register your stuff, get your warranty, you'll be happy with it. Hey, I hope that helps. Learn a little bit more about this ProTuff pool brush. Hope that was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.